There's about 3 million people who live in the Denver area. How many wild birds and wild animals do you think live in this same space? Do you think it's in the hundreds or thousands or millions? What kind of wild birds and wild animals might you encounter in the city where you live? The goal of this nature journal is to use words, pictures, and numbers to describe the appearance and behavior of the bird or animal that you have encountered. So you're going to step outside to your yard or patio, walk down your street, or visit a nearby park. Being patient is key, being calm is key, so we're not scaring away the birds and the animals. The first moments are critical, as that animal or bird may disappear. So you've spotted that bird or animal, immediately start a play-by-play describing its color, size, movements, any noise it makes. Say these observations out loud. When we say our observations out loud, it helps us to remember the details. For now, we are not writing in our journal. We're spending this first minute just intensely focused on this creature. We're going to practice. I'm going to go to the next video, and you're going to watch and listen. And then the video after that, it's going to be your turn to practice. I'm watching a blackbird. It's about medium-sized, and the bird is perched on a cattail over the water. The bird is moving its head around quite a bit, not making a lot of noise, but there is noise from surrounding birds. It has a little bit of red and yellow on each wing. Let's do the next one together. Say the observations out loud to start off. Then once your journal page is ready, use words, pictures, and numbers to record what you observe. Don't forget the date, time, location, and weather. You can mute the next vid if you don't want to hear my observations. I would describe this bird as very large. It has a black neck, a black beak, the top of its head is black, under its head is white. It has beige or brown feathers, black tail feathers, a white underside. It's frantically eating grass and stepping forward one at a time. Now step away from your screen and go outside. Find a bird or animal to observe. Don't forget to spend the first minute saying those observations out loud. Here are 2 examples of a completed journal page. When you're ready, start drawing and include words, numbers, and questions.